All right, guys, so I'm just going to jump right into it. I always had a weight problem, so I decided to get I-Lipo with Captivation as well. So just make sure that you all stay tuned and listen to everything that the lady has to say about this procedure.
What's this? This is my cellulite defense device.
And what does that do?
This machine is made to just shuffle up the cellulite in your body and helps to tone and tighten. It's actually mixing up the cellulite, breaking it up to tone and tighten.
Okay, you all, so I paid for 4 sessions of the I-Lipo procedure. I went twice a week, and it's very important that you all drink water before as well as after your treatment. That helps with the fat loss. I highly recommend at least going between 4 to 6 sessions, having 4 to 6 sessions. That way you can definitely see the transformation. Do not go only once a week. At least try your best to make it there at least twice a week for your sessions. It does cost a good penny. However, I do feel that it is worth it. So toward the end of the video, you will see my 4th session and you will see the dramatic change in my stomach. During the 2 weeks, I did not exercise at all. I did not watch my diet. I probably would have saw more of a change if I did do that, but I like to eat. I'm just being honest. Okay, so it's better off that someone just get the package.
It's better off for someone to get a package deal. Yep. And I have different packages. I have the abs and the tummy. I have the abs and the love handles, the back and the love handles. I have arms 360. That means all the way around your arms. Some people only do this part of your arm. I do all the way around your arms. I do all the way around your legs. I have the sauna detox package. And all my packages do come with the vibration therapy machine. I also give complimentary detox tea and detox water to help you assist with draining your fat cells that's been melted. I also give a copy of the keto diet plan or the new one, which is the
I also purchased a cream from her that I used 3 times out of the week while waiting for my next session. But these are my results after doing 4 of them. So please stay tuned because I will be posting a video of my legs being done. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know your thoughts. All right. I thank you for tuning in. Bye.